You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. Let's have a look at how to say beautiful in Spanish. There's actually going to be quite a few different ways, different words to say beautiful in Spanish, and we're going to have a look at all of them and which circumstances you want to use them. Okay, so that's your sample here of different words. All right, so if you want to talk about a person, one of the ways of saying that a person is good looking is guapo. Guapo. Of course, guapo is going to be male for boys, men. Guapa for female, for women, girls. Guapa, guapo. Strictly for persons, this one, and it means they are good looking. Another ways of saying pretty much the same thing, it's literally a synonym saying beautiful or good looking, is lindo or linda. It's probably used a bit more in South America in particular. They would say lindo more than guapo. Lindo can also be used for a situation. If you get gifted something nice, for example, people should say, oh, que lindo. It's very nice of you as well. So it's beautiful. Now, that's also for persons. Hermoso. Hermoso or hermosa. That's somebody who is also beautiful, but a bit more maybe in a classier way. Somebody that really looks good in appearance, physically from their body, but also their appearance, I would say. Then you'd say it's not only guapo, but he's hermoso. He's also a nice person overall. Now we're getting into how to say beautiful for things. Bonito or bonita. If you want to say that the sea is beautiful, el mar es bonita. So that's for things. More situations can be also bonito or bonita. Precioso or preciosa is also for things. It's also a more a classier way, a bit more sophisticated way to say that something is beautiful or nice. Precioso. It's a little more classier than bonito. Precioso is really nice, really beautiful. And finally, that's just a synonym of all of the above, pretty much. It's just an alternative way of saying it. Bello, bello or bella, that's for Spanish in Spain, or bello, bella in South America. It's just a synonym, maybe a bit more, again, sophisticated way of saying beautiful. It's like belle in French or bella in Italian. And here you have it, all the different ways to say beautiful in Spanish. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.